stuck in like everybody else. Welcome to Super Simple Stuff!
But what's the channel all about?
It's about science, outdoors, play, discovery time, fun facts, and news around the globe.
So Hadley, what is it that you really like about science?
I love that you can make like gloopy, slimy stuff and
Gloopy, slimy stuff?
potions.
Potion, okay. So what science experiment are we going to do today?
We're gonna have a cool floating magic water science experiment.
Whoa, that sounds cool. What is it that we need?
We need a jug of water.
Jug of water, okay.
What?
Whoa! What else do we need?
We need a glass of just an empty glass. Oh my God.
This really is magic. And what else do we need?
We need cardboard.
Cardboard, okay.
No.
Whoa! Wow! So we've got water. A jug with some water in it. We've got a glass, just an ordinary glass, and we've got some cardboard. So what is it we need to do, Hadley?
So we need to pour all of the water into the cup.
All of it. Or do we need to go halfway? Halfway. Okay. Let's. You do that bit then.
You got it in halfway.
Okay, that's it. Put it to one side. We don't need that anymore then, so put that to one side. Well, you could drink it if you want, it's just water.
It's water that's about to go to my belly.
It is going to go into your belly. Go on then. Keep hydrated, folks. Keep hydrated. It helps if you drink it, not dribble it all down yourself.
Yeah.
Right, we don't need that anymore.
You said something super duper funny.
I didn't say anything super funny.
You said 1,000 stuff.
Okay, so the next thing we need to do, I think, is put the cardboard on top of...
No, it said turn the cup upside down on the cardboard.
You want to put the cup on top of the cardboard or the cardboard on top of the cup?
Cardboard on
Okay, cardboard on top of the cup like this, yeah?
Yeah.
And then it says turn over quickly. Ready?
And
Right.
then take your hand off the cardboard.
So you want to take my hand off the cardboard?
Yeah.
What's going to happen?
It's going to stick, I think.
Shall I do it over my own head?
Yes.
Ready?
Jeez.
Whoa! 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 Wow, so as you can see there, guys, if you get a glass half filled with water, and it has to be a piece of stiff cardboard. What we used basically was we cut out a cereal box, but it's better if it's a stiff piece of cardboard, not paper. Don't use paper. We've tried it. You get wet. Because we held it above my head for a number of seconds, and basically the water didn't come out. But the water would always want to fall down. So how did it work?
So the air pressure of the cardboard is pushing up heavier than the air pressure of the water pushing down.
Okay, so the air pressure pushes the cardboard up because there's air pressure pushing all over us, isn't it? Trying to crush us, and we're pushing back.
Yeah.
So the air pressure pushes up on the cardboard, and that's more than the weight of the water pushing down. Give it a try, folks. See what you think. Add in the comments below what happened. Did it work? Did you get wet? Did you hold it over someone else's head? Let us know.
Did your friend or family get wet?
What happened?
Would be funny if they did.
Just let us know. So that's the science bit over. That was fantastic. We enjoyed that. We'll have more science experiments next week.
That was amazing. We're going to have some time in the garden. Back in a couple of minutes. Garden time.
And here we are in the garden.
Ready? Yeah. Yeah. You ready
darling.
to make the balls hit up?
Yes, darling. Go on and throw. Yeah, good girl.
Today we're going to go on the slide. I'll show you good tricks for jumping on the trampoline. Jumping off the edge of the trampoline. I can do that, can't I, Mum? Yes. Thanks for the input. I'm going to show you amazing jumps off the trampoline. You like that one? Slightly different pose at the end, wasn't it, guys? Yeah, slightly different pose at the end, wasn't it, guys? Time to move on to number 4. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! How's that, guys? Great, isn't it? Bet you got to see this. Yeah! comment below if you like it. And also, if you like the video, tap the bell, tap subscribe. We'll tell you if we have any new videos. I'm going to show you just cool jumps you can do on the trampoline. Well, cool jumps you can do off the edge of the trampoline. No 1-year-olds doing this, no 2-year-olds doing this. Maybe 3, I don't know. Sounds doesn't matter. 4's allowed to do it, 5's allowed to do it, and 6 is allowed to do it. Okay?
Give him a shove. Give him a shove.
It's time for Super Simple Stuff News. It's time for Super Simple Stuff News.
Hi, I'm David.
Hi, I'm...
Good name. Pineapples are not a whole fruit, but a collection of berries.
And also, when volcanoes lava cools, it turns into hot molten rock.
No way. I mean, clouds can be hundreds of tons heavy, but still float in the air because they're made of an expanse of tiny bits of water.
And finally, stegosauruses push blood into their plates when they are angry.
And that's it from me.
That's it from me.
Super Simple Stuff News, out. Thanks for watching, everybody. We've had a load of fun making this video, haven't we? We think it's been really cool. We'd like to make more. We're going to see if we can make a weekly video at least.
Remember, this is the first video.
Yes, the first video we've ever made. So yeah, hopefully we'll make more. So if you like what you've seen, like, subscribe.
And also, rent this video down below. If you like it, press thumbs up.
We've got loads more ideas for loads of more science stuff to happen. So yeah, just comment below. Down there, yeah, I think it's down there. Yeah, was it? Is the comments there? I don't know. The comments are down there. Yeah. And yeah, just let us know what you want to see, and we'll see you soon. We'll see you in the next video.
Sign off. Bye.
Bye. So it may have looked as if the experiment went perfectly. It didn't quite, though, did it?
No. I got where. Dad got where. Let's have a look at the outtakes.
So we're going to do a water magic experiment today. What is it that we need?
It's going to stick, I think.
Before I do, I'm going to put it here.
No!
Go on, yeah, duck down.
No.
We've got to see if it... Oh. Whoa!
Do it over my head.
Well, the cardboard gave way a little bit. Come on, kneel down. Well, okay, so the experiment kind of half worked. And then all of a sudden, the cardboard gave way.
And then the cardboard didn't like me.
The cardboard didn't like Well, I'm lovely and dry. You're quite dry. Don't worry about it.
I'm just smacking at you.
Sit down.
Come on.
Okay. All right.
I'm soaking wet. You're soaking wet.
Should we get dry a little bit then first before we carry on?
Yeah.
So we got a little bit wet. It went a little bit wrong, but we're gonna get dry. Ready? 3, 2, 1.